the morning. Top of the morning, classmate. What? Top of the morning, Enrique. Top of the morning.
That's the fucking Mexican shit.
Oh, that's not. So why the fuck is hell with the big man?
Oh, that? I know what you're talking about. Jamaican niggas, we do this. No, this.
The fucking Pakistan nigga.
That's Jamaican shit.
Small fry.
Feel me? Oh shit, good morning. Damn, what is that? Oh,
You're not coming early?
top of the morning.
You got me a simple toast crunch for that.
What? Alright, top of the morning. We back. It's a Friday. Got another sub. We coolin', we chillin'. We vibing. Gonna see if we could do some modules. You know, it's a little who's gonna be the sub, who's gonna control the module confusion, but you know, we making the best of it. We gonna get some kind of education. A couple of my classmates want to do their oil change, so we probably gonna end up doing some oil changes today. But yeah, that's. But yeah, we outside. Yo, get out his seat. Get out his seat. Man, it is cool.
You guys should work tomorrow, not today. Today's a free day for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a Friday too.
This is bruh Kyber, the most L teacher. Lots. I'm on you. I'm on you. What? Oh, you so lucky I didn't have the alt. Yo, you tried to scrub me out again, huh? You did. You did.
I gotta go Parts Authority, so I'm about to get
Wait, what? For what?
7 minutes is where he gets the halal food.
Where you gotta?
I gotta get the oil filter in the ring.
I'll spin with you.
I wanna go.
Yeah, I'll spin. Hell yeah. Going on a field trip. Nigga, this shouldn't be shit. This should. I think so, yeah. I think this should be easy to knock out. Do your oil, pull it out. Alright. Off to get CV's oil. I do look like CV oil. Look like a CV axle oil. Yo, he said that you could do it? That you could bring your cars? He said it?
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get my shit.
God damn, y'all pockets full.
My shit inspected, so I don't even know.
For. Oh, you said it's your brother, V?
Yeah.
No way. Honda Sports Ski? Ooh. for looking. Oh, he did get out. Oh shit, he got a seat. You could just ask them to look up the VIN. You could just tell them the VIN. Or just the year and model.
Yeah.
You saw what?
That's why.
That's the same thing I did. W's. Boom! This shit faster than yours though.
Stage 2, Vertical 2, and Civic. How you start from the car? Yeah. Show me how to start.
Yo, that shit dumb loud. Dumb loud. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. It's cold as shit. Damn.
Oh, I see you something left. Okay.
Skadoink. KC Reeves. K series. Yo, it got a brick. What the?
It mainly has a Vertical 2 in the valve. And then what's it called?
Yeah.
I told him that.
K24.
Nah, word.
I'm pretty sure.
Also, you got. Huh? I'm pretty sure that's for your speakers. And
You got speakers in this shit? Oh. I have arrived.
welcome. We already did everything. We just put in the oil now. Yeah, that's how much.
Oh, we got our resident Honda tech here.
All of them?
I was just about to say.
Yeah, it is.
You already took the oil out? Oh, you already drained it out?
Yeah, we did everything.
Damn, y'all moving quick, boy. Y'all niggas moving quick as hell, boy. Let me find out y'all making time.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna just get
Word
this
up, bro.
Let me.
What oil change time? 30 minutes? 15 minutes?
Damn.
Not even, probably like.
I don't want to. I think I'm good.
If worst case, just fill it until and then check it.
You know what the quickest will be? Tire change, oil change, and like oil spray. That's how Yeah, that's the basic. That's what we start with. Besides the back. You said the big shits, like, even though them shits could take off, them shits be a bitch to take off.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 12:30.
Yours should be even quicker.
Oh yeah, make sure you get me on this. I got a message to my brother. He already know.
You already know, man. Just sending out free labor.
You gotta pay for this labor. It's like 200 or something an hour, man.
Word, he said stop coming.
Got 200 to son, you kill me. He's still older.
Oh, you can't tax him because that's big, bro.
Probably $100.
You gotta pay something though.
I can't tax Big Bro Odie. He might never let me see this again.
Hey man, shout out to bro.
2 quarts.
He got into an accident, and what's it called? He understeered, and that's all dirt because he went into the dirt.
Oh right.
Oh my gosh, 40, right?
Yeah. We out here. We was downstairs dicking around for a little bit, but I said I'm gonna spin downstairs to help my boy CV do this oil change or be moral support for this oil change. So we getting it done.
Nah, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, oil change like I said, bro, here's my deal. I can either do your oil change, or I could charge you 400 to show you, so you never have to. You never.
So it's the one-time fee, or it's the I do it for you every time you pay the smaller fee.
Yeah.
Listen, my mom, she wouldn't even pay the bread because she don't want to know.
It's 4 liters. It's 4.2. I already put 4. Where's the last one? Where's number 5, man?
Oh, you needed it? Oh.
That's that. So
0.2.
up to this 800 mark, right? Yeah, you do it. You
0.2.
0.2.
I'd say do a little doop and then just check it and see.
At this point, just do half the fucking.
Half, hell no. That shit gonna fucking flood it.
It's 5 months.
800 right there.
I told him 800.
That's Monday.
So he didn't need it. Alright. Put this here and let it drip. Yeah.
Customer car and let that all the oil just drip around.
No. Why you fucking?
It's just a little high because it hasn't gone to the filter yet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Start that shit up.
Oh, you should have just started it from the key, probably.
Yeah, I'm actually.
You reset the oil sensor so it don't say past 5,000, or it goes away by itself. Yeah, so I'm about to head home. School is over. About to head out, edit this video again. Thanks for all of y'all subbing, liking my videos. I appreciate y'all. Oh, today was a pretty good day. Changed some more. Took the midterm. So, W Friday.